If you want to transfer your domain from Namecheap to ExonHost, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to unlock the domain, request the EPP or Auth code, and start the transfer on ExonHost so you can move everything over smoothly. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so your transfer does not get delayed. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's start in Namecheap. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to move to ExonHost and then click Manage next to that domain. Now, you'll be taken to the domain management page. On this page, you need to find the Sharing and Transfer section. This area contains the settings that control whether your domain can be moved to another registrar. The first thing you need to do is unlock the domain. Domains are usually locked by default for security reasons, so this step is required before a transfer can begin. Once the domain is unlocked, it becomes eligible for transfer. After unlocking it, the next thing you need is the EPP code, also called the Auth code or authorization code. Look for the option to request or get the EPP Auth code in the same sharing and transfer area. Namecheap will provide this code, and you'll need it during the transfer process on ExonHost. Make sure you copy it carefully and keep it ready, because without this code, the transfer cannot move forward. Now switch over to ExonHost. Go to the ExonHost domain transfer page. This is where you begin the transfer order. On the page, enter the domain name you want to transfer from Namecheap. Double check that the spelling is correct, because even a small mistake can cause issues with the transfer request. After entering the domain name, follow the transfer order process on ExonHost. You may be prompted to enter the EPP or Auth code you got from Namecheap. Paste it in exactly as provided, then continue through the order steps until you reach the payment section. Complete the payment for the transfer, since domain transfers usually require a transfer fee. In many cases, that fee also renews your domain for an additional year, depending on the registrar and domain extension. Once payment is completed, the domain transfer will be initiated. At this point, the request is sent and the transfer process begins. Depending on the domain and registrar settings, it may take some time for the transfer to fully complete. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation email asking you to approve the transfer, so be sure to check the email associated with your domain account as well. And that's it. You've now learned how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to ExonHost. Just remember the key steps. Log into Namecheap, unlock the domain, get the EPP code, then start the transfer on ExonHost and complete the payment. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.